Hello kids, how are you? Today we will try to learn capital letter and small letter. Get start and subscribe my YouTube channel. Red color, capital A and small a. Next kids, pink color, capital B and small b. Green color, capital C, small c. Sky blue color, capital D, small d. Next kids, black color, capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Kids, capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Next kids, capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Next kids, capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Learn capital letter and small letter. Subscribe my YouTube channel. A for apple. B for butter. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fly. G for gun. H for home. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lemon. M for man. N for net. O for ox. P for peanut. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. And last, Z. Z for zebra. Get a start and like subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you kids.